Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send translation request via Skype. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the chat icon down below, which is the first option, and select contact from this section. Then tap on their name at the top. Scroll down till you find this send translation request option, meaning that the application will send an invitation to the user to have this conversation translated. So click on it, and as you can see, this request has been sent to your friend. So if he or she accepts it, then as you can see, he or she accepted it, and now the translation conversations has been enabled. So you will be able to translate your conversation. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.